My first Dandiya Navaratri 2025 celebration. I finally got to see it in person. And what amazed me the most, apart from the energy, was the food. Let's take a look at the mouth-watering dishes from this Dandiya night. After the tea, coffee, juice stalls, I saw this Kanji Vada stall, a perfect probiotic refreshment during festival. Dahi balla, lentil dumplings in yogurt with chutneys. Paneer lifafa, spicy paneer wrapped in banana leaves. A tangy chaat from Haridwar, Haridwari chaat. Next is Dilli kulcha. This is a type of dosa made out of moong dal, and for the toppings, lots of vegetables have been finely cut and kept. Bread cut. Not sure what it is, did not try this. And then I picked my favorite pani puri. It was really yum. And then there is Safe Puri Papdi Chaat, a perfect burst of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors in every bite. Next is Dal Pakwan. This is a traditional Sindhi breakfast combo, and the list goes on. Aloo tikki chole chaat, dahi kachori, then all the bhajis, chili bhaji, aloo pakoda, onion pakoda, bread pakoda, then kachoris, kela bhajis, samosas. As I moved around, every stall had something new to surprise me. It felt like a food carnival, every bite telling its own story. From sweets to spicy chaats, everything looked so colorful and inviting. So much of snacks, so many options. I honestly didn't know where to start. Which one of these would you try first? Tell me in the comments. Then comes the Gujarati fafda, a crispy golden snack made from gram flour and mild spices. See the technique, rolled so neatly and fried to that perfect golden crunch. Now it's the sweet time. Hot, crispy jalebis served with rich, creamy rabdi. Temptation level 100, but my tummy says no more. Food looks so irresistible. Then the Malai sandwich, chocolate rasgulla, strawberry rasgulla, tawa mithai, rasmalai, cham cham, gulab jamun, moong dal sira, kulfi faluda. Next up, the fruit section. From melon to pineapples, everything is artistically cut and arranged to perfection. Goa's dragon fruit, star fruit, Look at the star fruit. Brownies, pastries, different types of pastries, chocolate pastry, and many other pastries. Shahi poha, a royal twist to the humble poha, cooked with saffron, nuts, ghee, and mild spices. Sabudana chaat, a light and flavorful snack made with soaked tapioca pearls, potatoes, peanuts, and spices. Makai kiss, made out of corn. Gungni chaat, dal murdabadi, misal pav. From sweets to snacks, now it's time for dabeli, a burst of flavors in every bite. Totally irresistible. Soft buns stuffed with the flavorful potato filling, chutneys, and save. Now, next up, a crunchy delight. All kinds of chips fried on the spot and served piping hot. From sweet to tangy to crunchy, this stall has its all. Sugarcane, fried chana, peanuts, gooseberries, mangoes, and grapefruit. Total street food paradise. The cashew fruit caught my eye. It's not something you see every day, so I could not resist tasting it. It's a totally worth a try. This corn was really irresistible. Whether boiled or smoked, it's loaded with butter and masala, crunchy, spicy, and totally tempting. A classic street snack with a flavorful twist. Mmm, yum. And here is a little international twist. Bruschetta. I think I pronounced it right. Bruschettas. We danced at the Dandiya for a while and then I could not resist exploring few other food stalls. Now, Karnataka on a platter. Here we have a tawa pulav, some flavorful rajma, and check out these chapatis. It's made in a unique way over charcoal. And here comes the masala dosa, cold and crispy and filled with that delicious spiced potato filling. Idli, medu vada was tasting amazing. There are sambar, kempu chutney, that is red chutney, rava idlis are there, Bombay sagu. Let me know what is this Bombay sagu. There are some mulbagal dosa, and For that, they have made shenga chutney. The chutney is made out of groundnuts. There is Maddur Vade, Mangalore Bhaji, some cauliflower Manchurian, salad. There's something called Surati Locha. I tried this. It was not that convincing. Maybe it is good, but my stomach was very full. We danced the Dandiya to our heart's content. No competition, just us, our steps, the music, and maybe, and we were dancing freely with nothing to compete against. Danced our hearts out, tasted every delight, and had so much fun along the way. Which dish would you try first? Comment below and let me know. Thanks for joining me on this flavorful journey. If you enjoyed this food tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for more festive food adventures.